Welcome to a video from thedigital.com. In this video we're going to have a look at this ICZI multifunction Surface dock. So this is designed specifically for the Surface 3, Surface Pro 3 and the Surface 4, and it expands your Surface through the ports on the side. So let's take a look at it. So in the box you've got the port expander and a power supply. So I guess that's so that you can run devices that need a bit of power off it. I don't think it actually charges the Surface itself. You've still got to do that through the port on the side. You can see the connector there. You've got the USB 3 and a mini display port, which matches up exactly to the Surface. So I can plug it in here and put my Surface back, and then we can see what ports we've got. So we've got Ethernet, DisplayPort, HDMI, two USB 3 ports, with a nice blue light in there as well. I think the camera picks up. Yeah, it can do, yeah. The power in, audio, and a USB 2 port. So my Surface is there connected via wireless. I can plug that in. So I'm plugged in now, and I've got a wired network connection on my Surface, and I could also plug in my phone and other devices on there. There's a nice blue light there to show you that it's powered on. I'll give you some of the specs of it as well. So it's like I say, it works with Surface Pro 3, Surface Pro 4 and the Surface 3. A Gigabit Ethernet port on there. It supports USB 3 with the 5 gig transfer speed, so I can stick this USB 3 drive in there, no problem, stick that in. I can stick all my devices in. I mean, it's a dock in itself, so I can put my monitor and everything else on there, leave that on my desk, and then just plug this one cable in and the power when I need it. What else spec wise? It supports triple display mode, so you can use mirror, extended or primary, either through HDMI or DisplayPort. You can use either HDMI or DisplayPort at a time though, so you can't run two monitors from here and then the Surface itself. You can just use one of those. Say it's light, it's plastic, it's light, it's not going to, even if you're carrying it with you, it's not going to be extra heavy in your bag. It's a really nice device. It's a shame that the Surface doesn't allow power in, but that's not the fault with the dock, that's just the design of the Surface. It would be nice if you had one cable to do it all, but that's not the case until the Surface gets USB, probably USB-C type connector with charging on there. It costs about $79 from Amazon, and it's really handy to have. You can buy the official Surface dock, but they're quite expensive, and this, to be honest, is probably a bit more convenient, a bit simpler with just that one plug on the side, and it's certainly cheaper than the official dock. So all in all, a nice little device. You've got a Surface, well worth having. Stick it on your desk and you've got that available, all these extra ports. Like I said, the USB, just having the two more ports is really handy because the Surface has just got the one port on there. Having the extra one on there, the audio and the display ports is really good, and a network connection as well. So I'm going to be leaving that on my desk. This is definitely a device that's going to stay there and I'm going to be using on the Surface. It's a nice simple device, works really well, and nice fit on there, so a nice solid well made connectors. So thanks for watching this video. More on thedigital.com.